When did the neighbor's kid finally get revenge? A few years back, our neighborhood got a new mail carrier, Dave, who was a total jerk. He trampled flower beds, snapped at people, and, worst of all, peed in bottles, tossing them into gardens when grumpy. Tell him to use the trash, he'd chuck the bottle at you. Dave was the postmaster Bob's son, and Bob, a boys will be boys type, made excuses. Dave's a foster kid, tough life. Bob's pal, Sheriff Steve, echoed the same, brushing off complaints about 30-something Dave as boys being boys. One hot summer day, the neighborhood kids caught Dave's nasty side. They were playing with water guns, and 12-year-old Oren had a high-powered one that shot water over 10 feet, and he was a crack shot. While I prepped dinner out back, a scream from Dave brought everyone running. Oren had filled his water gun with one of Dave's pee bottles, spiked with Red Bull, and doused him. Dave was soaked in sticky, smelly pee, reeking under the sun. A neighbor offered her shower, but he grabbed a hose, spraying himself, leaving him wet and gross. He ditched his stuff and bolted. That afternoon, Bob and Steve patrolled, but we all saw nothing. Bob quizzed Oren, who bluntly told him how much we despised Dave's antics, with kid-level honesty.